the urban woman, or be it anybody from anywhere, any Indian woman learns to deal with men looking at her and be okay with it.
Yeah. And we learn to ignore it.
You learn to ignore it.
At
And you're
times
okay
we're
with
too-
it. It's a part of life, it's a part of growing up.
No, maybe once we start growing up, we are not okay with it. But then, what do you do? अब कोई देख रहा है तो देख रहा है. That's what
do?
you.
Yeah, what do you
That's
do?
what you
Yeah, what do you do?
grew up with.
For an Indian woman, learning to deal with that gaze is the line of passage.
Yeah.
You know, you've got to.
Yeah.
You're not, you have to. At about 13, 14. 13, 14 it starts, and it bothers you in the beginning. You're okay with it after some point of time. But then
You don't notice
then it's just,
it.
you just don't notice it.
केयर नहीं करते हम उसकी केयर नहीं करते हम उसकी
नहीं केयर करते हो.
कर जाते हैं, तैयार होकर जाते हैं, तो आपको इव टीजिंग तो नॉर्मल है, आपको पता है.
अपने अध्ययन कर्तव्यों का
I want to know what is their idea of independence and freedom. What do they connect to the word I am free, independent?
A cab case happens where a taxi
Yeah.
driver turns around and harasses one
Yeah.
of us, and it's scary, and
It can happen to
it,
any
yeah,
of
and
us. We feel
yeah.
it.
But at the same time, so for us, that's something. A case like that makes us think about how threatened we are living in Delhi, and it threatens our independence.
I can't take the bus at 10 in the night because of the infuriating crowd and the quality of buses. I mean,
मर्जी का करती हूँ
अपने ही तो अपनी शौहर की मर्जी का करती हो. पहला लड़का है,
नहीं
लड़की है,
मेरी लड़की है
लड़की है. अब जितने बच्चे होंगे आगे,
हाँ
तुम ये तय करेगी या शौहर तय करेंगे?
नहीं दोनों की सोच एक ही है
दोनों की सोच एक ही है.
एक ही बेटा आप चाहते हैं बस
आज तक नहीं हुआ. तो वो नहीं है.
बस कुछ नहीं है अपने दिल में वहम कर लेते
And what if she's okay with whatever limited choices that she
Not
has?
just okay. Maybe there is a woman out there who knows her limited choice and but has her idea of independence there. Like she figures out and carves out her. This is where I hold control.
It's a little contrived to do these shows on independence and what does independence mean to women. It's, and you know, we can also
Because there are too many answers to that.
अब इस तरह के जो कांड वगैरह होते हैं इनसे भी आज़ादी चाहिए ना. जिस दुनिया में इतने सारे कांड हो रहे हैं, बलात्कार हो रहे हैं.
जानती थी वो लड़कियों को तुम?
हाँ हम जानते थे, वो वहीं की थी ना. इस तरह की आज़ादी मिले कि यहाँ लड़कियाँ कुछ भी कर सकें अपने के लिए आगे तक के लिए जा सकें लड़कियाँ.
I need to be very convinced about what I do.